week.
Good morning. It's 7 in the morning and I'm going to school. And Haakon is gonna go
Go-karting.
go-karting. Yeah.
But first, I gotta go to Ikebukuro. Where I have to find this sound cable, this sound adapter for the GoPro. And then I'm going straight to ASAKUSA. Meanwhile, Patrick is gonna get his knife skill zone.
Oh yeah.
Pay attention and go back to school.
See you later. Heading at 12. Day 1.
So now I'm actually done here in Ikebukuro. My ride starts at 12:30. I have to be there 10 minutes earlier and confirm my booking. And yeah, I'm excited. Let's do this.
So we're on your first break. It's 11:30 and I need to be back at 12:30. Just took out some cash and I need some food. Crowded. Now back to school.
Now I'm about to choose a costume. I had to register and fill out some forms, and everything was easy peasy. I just gotta choose a costume. So I just got back from street racing. Shout out to ASAKUSA Samurai Kart. If you guys ever come to Japan, I beg of you, do this. Easily the best money I've ever spent and the most fun I've ever had. This is insane. And the guides actually takes pictures constantly on the street. And I'm about to try and get a hold of Patrick, and then I'm gonna find somewhere to meet him. And let's see what happens. So I tried to get a hold of Patrick. I think he's not at school because I can't reach him. That means he doesn't have Wi-Fi. But we have a backup plan, so we're gonna meet him. In the meantime, the fastest way from the Mario Kart place back to the subway station is through senso-ji temple. And let's have a look. So Patrick just called. He's just done with school for today, so he's leaving now. And where he goes to school is actually not far from here in ASAKUSA. So I'm just gonna sit here, enjoy this view, enjoying the sun. It's nearly 30 degrees Celsius outside. Life is pretty good right about now. I'll talk to you guys later.
Just finished up first day of school, and now I'm gonna meet up Haakon at ASAKUSA. There he is, my main man. Sitting here, just chilling. What's up? Just taking it in. Woo! Let's do it. Let's eat something. Fried chicken. Red beans? Yep. Cool beans, bruh. Oh, it's so hot. Yeah, it's hot, right? It's good and it's hot. Now we're going to try to get all the way to the top. All the way. So we're finished up at some kind of view.
Yeah, this cafe up in here.
And now we're going to, oh, that was good. We're going to the good old famous, hold up, Tokyo Skytree. Right about there, all the way to the, no, not this time, middle.
In the middle.
And that's our plan so far.
ASAKUSA.
Tokyo Skytree. Oh, we're going up to the top.
Just gotta wait here a moment for the next elevator.
Here's the hotel. But first, we're just gonna grab something on Lawson, and that's it for the day.
Backpacking up and, you know, just calling our lead.
And so, this about wraps it for today, boys and girls. Sherbach.
Bye.